card masteries are the best way to get gold fast in Clash Royale right now. We got the Zappies and the Royal Hogs here. Let's see this Zappy task, and we get those Zappies to the level 4 badge right there and get 4,000 easy gold. And now we have the Royal Hogs too. Let's see. Ooh, looks like we're gonna get 6,000 gold from this one, and we get that Royal Hogs badge to level 3. There we go with the 6,000 gold. The more card mastery badges you can get, the more gold you're gonna get, and you're gonna be rich in Clash Royale.